Embark on a journey to discover your values and make decisions that align with them. It's a battle between you and your mindset, paving the way for a shift that can transform your life. Financial decision-making is crucial. By understanding the 7 traps and wealth principles, you can create a value system that guides your cash flow, giving, and investing decisions, leading to better outcomes. Accomplishing goals involves progressing through 4 stages, from unconscious incompetence to unconscious competence. This journey requires awareness and skill development, leading to mastery. A financial planning mindset encompasses various aspects like budgeting, credit building, insurance, and investment account management. It's about preparing for life's changes and securing your financial future. The biggest adversary in achieving your goals is often yourself. Self-discipline, perception, and overcoming fear and indecision are key to conquering personal challenges and moving forward. Creating a values framework involves examining your belief system, analyzing your financial situation, planning actionable steps, and taking decisive action. It's about aligning your life with your core values. Total alignment of mind, body, and spirit brings peace, balance, and sensitivity. It's about harmonizing these elements to achieve a state of perfect peace and well-being. Circumstances, including environment and emotions, play a significant role in decision-making. Understanding their impact can help you make more informed and balanced choices. High-performance growth is achieved through a mindset that inspires action, influences others, and implements learning. It's about combining skill, process, and mindset to drive results. Conducting a SWOT analysis helps identify strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Amplify strengths, capitalize on opportunities, and develop strategies to reduce weaknesses and threats. Understanding your value threshold in cash flow, investing, and giving is crucial. Below certain amounts, you may lose focus and interest, affecting your financial decisions. Discovering your cash flow value system involves recognizing what triggers your financial responses. From picking up a penny to a $50 bill, it's about understanding your unique budget system. Tracking every penny with a cash flow framework helps align spending with your values. Whether using digital or old-school methods, it's about finding the best budget type for you. Exploring the giving value system means discovering your threshold for giving. From small amounts to larger sums, it's about understanding what you desire to give and aligning it with your values. Developing a giving framework involves choosing between small or large sums, understanding the emotional impact, and aligning your giving with your values. It's about joyful and meaningful contributions. Discovering your investing value system involves understanding the amounts that align with your values. From $200 to $50,000, it's about finding what works for you and your financial goals. Creating an investing framework involves choosing between small or large sums, assessing emotional impact, and maintaining a plan. It's about aligning investments with your financial goals and seeing results. Avoiding negative compounding behaviors requires recognizing bad financial decisions and reviewing your value system. It's about staying focused and progressing towards your financial goals. Understanding compounding actions over time shows how decisions made today impact your future. Each choice builds upon the last, leading to significant outcomes a year from now. The compounding chart illustrates the importance of learning and skill acquisition for financial freedom. It's about investing time and effort to enhance your financial IQ and achieve your goals. Starting with large sums can accelerate growth. It's about reducing consumption and focusing on investments to move beyond the stage of living for now and preparing for the future. Speeding up growth involves working with someone who can guide you, reducing the learning curve and minimizing mistakes. It's about leveraging expertise to achieve financial success. Financial decision-making involves understanding traps, principles, and value systems. By creating cash flow, giving, and investing systems, you can achieve high-performance results and compounding actions.